Hello again, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Well, this Mother's Day video is all about carrying on my mom's love of flowers. For her entire life, she has loved going to flower shows and gardening. And so when I bought my first house, I started gardening and growing flowers. And like my mom, I was pretty good at winning some trophies for my flowers. This is actually my garden with my mom and my brother. They're standing next to it. But the great thing about this garden was I love to put together these wonderful cut flower arrangements for her and my wife every Mother's Day, because I had all these roses and dahlias and gladiolas and irises and all of these other kinds of cool little plants that I grew in my cut flower garden. And here's an example from 3 years ago of the vase of flowers I put together for my mom and my wife. So we got some roses, gladiolas, dahlias, some Mexican sage, some rose-scented geranium. That's a great little filler, and a bunch of other little, wonderful things. And I love just putting this arrangement together and giving them to my mom. Well, unfortunately, this past year, Mom passed away. She passed away in January of this year. This was the Mother's Day brunch from 3 years ago. But I will always, always, always remember the love of flowers that she gave to me. And now I bring those flowers twice a week out to her out to the cemetery and put them there. So I will always keep loving those flowers and bringing them out as a little memorial to my mom, who was a wonderful gardener. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. By the way, there is a list in the description of all the things I grow in my cut flower garden, so check that out as well. Well, again, this is Doug saying thanks so much for watching.